What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another laptop screen extender. Now this one is from a different company, but we are going to go over it. It should be the same thing, but we will see if there's a difference between the way it grip on the laptop and all of that stuff. So let's go ahead, get into it. All right, so here we go. I'm not going to butcher the name, but there you go. The link will be in the description. All right, now on the other side, you got to flip it upside down so y'all can see it properly. So there you go. Now with the other laptop extender, I will show y'all. I'll probably do a short, but you can use it vertical and horizontal, you guys. But most of the time I am horizontal. I don't usually use my screen vertical, but I know some people that's into business and stuff like that. Maybe you have like a Teams chat or something and you want to look at your messages vertically, and you know how office people are, So you can use this for corporate work, of course, corporate business, home office. Now, as far as gaming goes, I don't know, because I know when it comes to gaming, you need like frames per second and all of that, refresh rate, which when it comes to screens and all of that stuff. So I'm not sure about gaming. Okay, now I can let y'all know in a quick video how it works as far as gaming goes. Maybe you can game on your regular computer and chat on this monitor. They give you a quick pamphlet, just like the other brand, you guys. Most of this stuff is almost the same, but remember, different brands like have different ideas and stuff like that, different designs. So you have your user's guide right here. All right, we have this connector right here, and the way this goes, you have to slide it in, and this is how you hook it up so it can stand. All right, so this is basically the stand. So if you have like a phone, usually phone stands are like this. All right, so you can hook it up this way. All right, you got Velcro right here. I'm gonna take this Velcro off. Now this is for carrying purposes. So if you carrying this, you don't want your laptop to keep bouncing, then use your Velcro strap. Don't lose it. All right, you guys. So right here we have our USB Type-C right here. One is an L shape, one is regular. Now, when it comes to this, you have to be careful because it will say one port goes into the computer and one port goes into the monitor. So you have to read it. It says it right here. Please connect this port to our product. So they saying connect this to our product. They have an arrow on it. So make sure you connect it right. Last time I connected wrong on like my first screen extender video. So I was wondering why. I think I wasn't getting sound or something. Something was going on. I was like, oh, why is it not connecting? Oh, I think it wasn't connected to the monitor. It wasn't looking at the monitor, and I was like, what the heck is going on? So make sure you connect this the right way, okay? All right, so they have a piece of paper right there to tell you which side is the right side, and they have it for all of them, okay? So this one is the HDMI to USB Type-C. And again, it says for product USB with DP. Okay. All right. And then right here we have the original, you guys. USB Type-C to regular USB. All right. The original. And you guys, that's it out the box, okay? Now, we are going to go ahead and extend this thing. Now, the cool thing about this is it's just like the other one I got, you guys. Almost similar. It shows you the motherboard, which is pretty cool. And this is covered by a black paper. And it says, do not pierce. So don't use no blade when it comes to this, you guys. It just pulls right on out. And there you go. It's no longer new, you guys. Now, if you want to protect your screen, you can try to put it back on and, you know, use it as like a protector whenever you travel. Has a good adhesion to it. All right, now let's see. All right, you guys, so if you want to remove the screen, all you have to do is just push out, but do it gently. And it lets you know on here, or you can just pull however you want to do it, but you can remove the screen like that, okay? And then you can flip it so you can go vertical. So you can turn it around, put it inside like this, and then if you want to go vertical, you can go vertical. All right, if you want to go vertical like this, you can. That's your choice, but the other way to go vertical is, we're going to take it back off. And then you want to use your stand right here. So you take your stand back off. All right. And right here, you insert your stand. And then you could go vertical like this. Now, vertical like this is better because it's lighter. All right. Just put the stand out all the way. And this is light, you guys. So I was discussing with somebody about, you know, pricing with this stuff and all of that. It was like, oh, well, I could get, you know, this type of monitor from blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, the benefit of these type of monitors is that it's grab and go, you guys. These monitors are convenient, okay? That's the big deal with these monitors. They are convenient, easy, and fun. Put it right in your book bag. No, you don't get no carrying case, you guys. I mean, it is what it is. But you could put this in your book bag along with your laptop. Easy to go. All right, you guys. So here we go. Right here, you have your headphone jack. All right, 3.5 mil. You have your power button right here. And what you have to do is just press in. You have type C1, type C2, and then type C3, and it says USB-C with DP. So what you need to do now is lift this up like that and then pull back. Now with this, it don't retract back, you guys, okay? So it's gonna be like that, and then you put it back. And then what you have to do is squeeze. Remember, it don't retract back, all right? All right, you guys, so we have the laptop extender on. Now, what we have to do is give it power. Now, the only way for this to have power is to hook it up with your USB type C or whatever USB you want to hook up to. So we are USB type C people. So we are going to hook up USB. Now, be mindful. Like I told you, there is an arrow on here and it lets you know right here. It says, please connect this port to our product. So they want you to connect this to their product right here. I'll just go into number one, just to go into number one. All right. Now, when I did that, nice colorful lights come back here. So there you go. And guess what? It came on by itself. Now, this is my music production. I make beats, just to let everybody know. I do that as a hobby. Minimize that real quick. Okay, I had to minimize. Okay, so I'm already set up, but if you don't know how to set this up, I'm gonna show you real quick. When you go to system settings, you wanna go to, where is displays? You wanna go to display. When you go to display, the most important part is the top part right here, okay? This is your most important part. You wanna click arrange. All right. Once you click arrange, it lets you know it says built-in display. When it says built-in display right here, and I know y'all barely, let me get a little closer. All right. So when it says built-in display right here, that is our computer. When it has P5, that is the manufacturer's extender laptop. Now, I have it on the right because when I go right, I want my arrow to go right, or mouse or whatever. So when you press the power button in, you have all of your settings right here. You can set your brightness, all right? And you press in the power button again, and then let me do it again. Pressing your power button, and then you can set your brightness on your screen. And it did get brighter. Let me go dim. Y'all see it went dim. I'm gonna go bright. Y'all see it goes bright. All right, so that's me messing with the power button right here. So your power button is your menu button, okay? If you want to go vertical, you have to slide your monitor out, all right? And it has arrows here and it has arrows here, and it lets you know gently right here, gently. So you don't have to be rough with it. Take this out, right? You could take your kickstand off of here, slide, you slide it in, and now you have a kickstand. All right, so this might be a little bit better. Why? Because it's lighter, like very light.